Welcome to our channel. Today we how to track business innovation metrics, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin tracking business innovation metrics, start by defining clear objectives for your innovation initiatives. Identify the key performance indicators relevant to these objectives. Consider metrics such as revenue growth, customer satisfaction, and time to market. Next, establish a baseline to measure progress against your objectives. Develop a method for collecting data consistently over time. Use tools and software that can help automate this data collection process. Once your data collection system is in place, create a reporting framework. This framework should outline how often you will review your metrics and in what format. Set regular intervals for reviewing your innovation metrics. During these reviews, compare current data against your established baseline. Analyze trends and identify any areas for improvement. Engage your team in discussions about these findings to foster a culture of innovation. Adjust your objectives and strategies based on the insights gained from your reviews. Encourage feedback from stakeholders to refine your approach further. Continuously iterate on your innovation metrics to ensure they stay relevant. Communicate progress and insights to the broader organization. This can help maintain momentum and buy-in for your innovation initiatives. Remember, tracking metrics is an ongoing process that requires commitment and adaptability. Stay open to adjusting both your metrics and processes as your business evolves. By following these steps, you can effectively track and enhance your business innovation efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.